little bit darker than usual here at the Hollywood and Highland Center. About to go to Foot Locker real quick and make an exchange because I'm not going to keep these Air Max 270 bow fins. I'm going to try and get something else. Hopefully you guys can see me, but let's see what's going on. It's a little bit later on in the night. Hopefully like the video, smash the like button, of course. It is Friday, so maybe you might see some phones in here. And once again, shout out to everybody who comes out to the live stream, you dig? But you're never gonna go without getting wet, bro. It's just not gonna happen. I think it's hilarious how this guy right here just thinks he can come and just steal my spot. Max, don't ignore me, boy. He just wanna come and take my spot, man. He lucky I love him. You lucky I love him. You can't just be coming taking my spot though, man. Say hi to the people, Max. It's the homie right there. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a good day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, and by the name, we about to talk about that boy KD. His latest model of the KD 11s came out in a new colorway, like a college navy and gold or something like that. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Do you have them in your repertoire? Will you guys be going after these? I believe they came out like yesterday, so you might be able to find them in your stores. I happen to find these at Shoe Palace. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, of course, in the comment section. We try to keep it positive on this channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Do not forget to smash that like button. We're trying to get each and every video to at least 150 likes, at least 100 likes. So if you come to the video, see don't have that, make sure you smash the like button. Help me get there. It helps your channel out, helps the channel out, as you guys know how it works on YouTube. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in this box, you dig? Let's go ahead and get into this box. Typical KD 11 box. The official colorway. I know a lot of you guys like the official colorways. College Navy and University Gold, Marine College. Crazy. These, to me, are like the Wolverine colorways. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. And if you guys agree, do they match with a different shoe, a different college, maybe better than I'm saying with the Wolverines? I don't know. My thoughts, your opinions. Let me know what you guys think. These shoes are fire, bro. The colorway of them is pretty dope. They have about maybe 6 colorways of the KD 11 so far. Tell me in the comment section which one do you guys think is the best. Is this one the best? This one gives other ones the run for the money with the inclusion of the Peach Jams. Those were crazy fire. These are dope though. College Navy and University Gold. Looks just like Wolverines. Michigan State, not Michigan State, but Michigan Wolverines. Let me know what you guys think about that. I mean, I'm sure they're gonna be rocking it. These are fire though. You got the whole navy on the back part of the upper, and then the whole toe box area has that college gold mixed on in there. Navy blue and gold colorway. Navy blue is one of my favorite colors. And growing up, I'm telling you, I used to really, I had like four college teams that I really liked. Duke, Arizona, North Carolina, and Michigan. I used to love the Michigan colorways, Chris Webber and all them guys doing their thing. And just over time, just this colorway, this navy blue and gold, for some reason did it for me. I had like a lot of traveling teams that had these same color patterns. Let me know if you guys like this color combination. And what do you guay think about the KD 11 as a whole? You know, they're going for their 3rd ring in a row. It might happen the way that team is looking, man. They got Clay balling, Curry balling. We didn't even mention the man yet. He's the best player on the team, KD, Kevin Durant, right? So let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comments. Let me get this other shoe out the box. And then we're going to talk about the materials, which even though they're the same that they've always used, it's still good to talk about them. Just look at the translucent outsole. Man, that is fire, bro. What do you guys think about these KDs as a whole? As I always ask for the 50 millionth time, in the comment section below. That's where you leave all your feedback. Shout out to everybody watching around the country and the world. Big ups to everybody who shows up there in the live streams too. We got great conversations going on, so make sure you guys pay attention to the live streams. These KDs, the thing I think is dope about this shoe is it has the back panel. Now, I will do the up close and personal visuals as I always do on all the shoes. But they have like some type of print on the back. And I want to say Zodiac signs. If you guys know, let me know in the chat, in the comment section below, if that's what this is. I see like a gold. I feel like I see like a snake, or I don't know. It's some things that look like Zodiac signs or asteroid signs, or like you're monkey signs, you know, like you're the monkey, like what animal are you? I'm not sure the exact name of that, so don't kill me. But the pattern on the back is dope. You'll see that as I get closer with the lighting on it. Got the KD, got the 11, the Roman number 11 on the pull, on the little button here, which I felt like you could open up, but you can't. That's just letting you know that this is the KD 11. The whole knit upper with the knit in the front, but it looks more like a mesh, but this is all knit upper. I think it's that battle knit that they use on the LeBrons, if I'm not mistaken. And then this shoe is dope because it has dual technology like a lot of these shoes are nowadays, with the Zoom Air and Nike React. You can see the lining of the Nike React on the midsole, and then the midsole to outsole is all that air going up on there. And this one is fire because it has a clear outsole. That is fire, bruh. And of course, right here it says KD11 cushioning system, full length Nike Zoom Air, Nike React midsole foam. So it has both of the technologies on here. If you guys ball out in these, and you guys ball out in other shoes too, just tell me your thoughts on these on the court, how they react to you guys, how you guys react to them. This definitely seems like a shoe that's great for indoors, not so much for outdoor use. A lot of the shoes I've been reviewing lately are great indoor shoes because, of course, they're basketball players who play in the NBA on professional wood courts. Not too many shoes are great on the blacktop also, and this one is one that I recommend you play on indoor courts only. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. We will get to the highlights of these shoes and the on feet as we always do. It's your boy Bossco, man. Thank you very much for taking the time out to rock with your boy. There's a million people in the world. You took your time to be here with me. I appreciate that. Smash the like button on this video. Once again, we're trying to get this thing to at least 100 likes. And without further ado, let's get out of here. Check out these highlights and an on feet, you dig? Peace.
Street mixtapes, nigga.